announcements today.
Yes, what has happened is the commissioner has spoken. Peter Uerberroth today cracked the whip on drug abuse in baseball. What he did was conditionally suspend 7 major leaguers for a year, and these are the players.
2 years and programs approved: Joaquin Andujar, Dale Berra, Enos Cabell, Keith Hernandez, Jeff Leonard, Dave Parker, and Lonnie Smith. As to this group, I find that they should be suspended without pay for a period of 1 year, effective the first day of the 1986 season. In each case, I'm prepared, however, to hold the suspension in abeyance.
Well, Commissioner Uerberroth, and that is not the way you spell Uerberroth. There's U-E-B-E-R-R-O-T-H. Commissioner Uerberroth says those 7 may still play this season if they donate 10% of their salaries to drug prevention programs, submit to random drug testing for the rest of their careers, and contribute 100 hours of drug-related community service in each of the next 2 years. Now, the 7 were among a group of 23 current or former players interviewed by Uerberroth following federal drug trials in Pittsburgh last September. The players either testified about drug use, admitted to it, or were implicated in testimony by others. Now, in addition to those 7, 14 others have been categorized in 2 other groups by the commissioner and must also submit to drug testing for the remainder of their careers. Now, the second group includes Al Holland, Larry Sorensen, Lee Lacey, and Claudel Washington. Now, those 4 players have been suspended for 60 days, but like the first 7, can continue playing if they meet the conditions set out by the commissioner. The Group 2 players must donate 5% of their salaries and 50 hours of community work over the next 2 years. Now, the Group 3 players are Dusty Baker, Gary Matthews, Manny Sarmiento, Darryl Thomas, a free agent, and Vida Blue. Also, Dickie Knowles, Darryl Sconyers, Rod Scurry, Tim Raines, and Alan Wiggins. Now, at the Giants spring training camp today, it was certainly noted that Vida Blue was in Group 3.
It falls under the same guidelines as far as what I stated in my 86 contract for myself only. And it's not to say that testing is good or bad or whether it's right or wrong. I just did it for my own personal self.
My stand on drugs is I'm 3 steps to the right of Genghis Khan on the matter, so I'm very much a hardliner, and I'm very supportive of the commissioner.